How to add admin to an Instagram account. I am going to tell you how to add an admin to an Instagram account. Instagram doesn't allow multiple admins on personal accounts, but if you switch to a professional account and connect to a Facebook page, you can assign admin roles through Meta Business Suite. First, switch to a professional account by going to Settings and Privacy, Account Type and Tools, switch to Professional Account, and then next, connect your Instagram to a Facebook page by going to Settings, Account Center, and then Add Accounts. Once linked, open Meta Business Suite on Facebook, go to Settings, Business Settings, People, click Add People, enter the person's email, assign them a role like admin or editor, and confirm. Now, they can help manage your Instagram account through Meta Business Suite while you remain the owner.